Hello everyone, we are here once again to do a tutorial on this very simple beaded ring. All we need to have is our seed beads, our pearls, our needle and then our beading thread. I used the size 11 seed bead and then the pearl I used a size 3 pearl. So I'm picking one seed bead and then I pick one of the pearl and then one seed bead, one pearl, one seed bead, one pearl. So in all it will be 3 seed beads and 3 pearls, but the seed bead will be in between the pearls. Now I'm tying a double knot. So after that I need to put the needle through the pearl, and then I'm picking enough seed bead to cover the pearl. So I tried picking about 6 seed bead to see if it will cover up the pearl. So we did cover up the pearl a bit. So I'll be continuing with the 6 then. I'm passing the needle through the seed bead and then into the pearl. And I'll pick another 6 seed beads and then go opposite where the needle came. So I'll go behind the opposite where the thread came out. So I'll go behind the pearl. Picking up 6 again. Passing it through the seed bead and the pearl once more. And then I'm picking another 6. That's the last one. Passing it through the seed bead once more, just to get it properly covered around all the 3 pearls. I'm passing through all the seed beads I have. So since there's a bit of space there, I want to add a seed bead to cover up the space. As you can see, a space between the seed beads and the pearl. You can see a space. I picked one seed bead to cover it up. You can see it's covered now. I'm still passing through the seed beads anytime I get to a point where there's a space you can actually see the sides of the pail, I'll cover it up a bit with a seed bead. So this is how it will be if I cover it all up with the pail, with the seed bead, sorry. This will be the outcome. Now I'm picking up some seed beads in order for me to get the sides where I can actually put my finger in. So I picked about 7 seed beads. That's what you see in there. And then I'll be doing the herringbone design, the flat herringbone design, in order for me to get the space for my ring finger. You can also put it on the baby finger or wherever you want to put it. So if you've been following my videos, you notice that this is not the first time I'm doing the herringbone design. So I'm picking up 2 again. This is how it will look like. With the length I want, I've gotten it. I'm just attaching it to the other side. So I've picked 2 and then I'm attaching it to the other side. If it becomes a little difficult to pull out, you can always use your plier to pull the needle out. So I'll pick 2 seed beads to cover up the space I have there. I'm sewing around the ring, and then when it becomes very firm and tight, I just make a knot to end it all. other side, which I'm not done with, I'll pick another 2 seed beads as well. So I'm making a loop at the knot here. I'm making another knot. Then I'll pass it through the seed bead so it wouldn't be seen. When you make a knot and you pass it through the seed beads, usually it enters into the hole, so it covers it up and there wouldn't be any trace of that knot you tied. So I'm done with it. I'm cutting the thread out, the leftover thread. Here we are with a beaded pearl ring. Very beautiful. As you can see, you wouldn't see the traces of the thread. Thank you very much for joining me.